See, this is a new brake part, so I need a lubrication. So you see the difference. Let me show you. See the difference of new brake pads and the old one. You see the old one is just, they are worn out. The new one is still new. So the driver was about just to spoil the brake disc. Yes, the driver was about to spoil the brake disc. So but now we saved them. This for turning the brake piston just to push it inside clearly, for allowing it just to enter into the brake pads perfectly. So as you see here, everything's okay. So we are now going to tight again the brake caliper. So tight the brake caliper in its original place. It's a 14 screw. Yes. Yes, now it's okay. So you see everything's fine, so now it's time to put the tire again, to remount the tire. But before putting the tire, check if everything's just in a good condition and well tightened. So you see the brake part just sit in its place perfectly. All screws are well tightened. So you just install the tire. screws, just to make sure the screws are moving freely, because once you don't make the screws to move freely, you can just spoil your bolt. So, and then by order, so now it's okay. Thank you.